Hello friends, welcome to Python series. In this video we will discuss about Python comparison operator, or you can say relational operators. These are used to compare two values and returns true or false depending upon the condition. For example, less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to, not equals to, and equals. So these are relational operator. For example, here is a variable x storing value 15 and the variable y which will store value 4. Print x equals to y. So this double equal symbol is used to compare two values, whether x is equals to y or not. Let's check. So it will give you the result false. When you use x not equals to y, it means it will return true because 15 is not equals to 4. In the same manner, you can use greater than, less than, and other operators. Let's copy the statement. X less than y, x greater than equals to y, x less than equals to y. Greater than equals means either the value of x will be greater or it may be equal to y. Let's run the program. So it will gives you the result in Boolean expression, that is true or false. So it will check conditions. So these are our relational and comparison operators. Next we will talk about Python logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements, for example and, or, and not. So these are our logical operators which are used to combine conditional statements. For example, x is a variable which will store value 10. When we use this print statement, x is greater than 5 and x is less than 20. So it will return true because 10 is greater than 5 and less than 20. So when you use AND operator, the condition must be true. Here x means 10 is greater than 5, this condition is true, and 10 is less than 20, the both conditions are true, so it will gives you the result true. When you use OR operator, it returns true because one of the conditions are true. For example, 8. Here you can see 10 is greater than 5, this condition is true, but 10 is less than 8, this condition is false, but it will gives you the result true because one of the conditions are true. And next is NOT. It is used to just reverse the result. X is less than 5 and x is less than 20. If we use this expression, so it will gives you the result true, but when we use NOT, so it will return false because NOT is used to reverse the result. Run the file. So these are relational and logical operators. So based on these operators, we will do some programs later on. That's all for today. Thank you.